How to increase your credit card limit fast. Is it possible? Let's find out. The simplest way is to request a credit limit. For that, you need to contact the Chase customer service. Just dial at 1 800 945 2000. Explain your request. Inform the representative that you would like to request a credit limit increase for your Chase Freedom Unlimited card. However, there are certain criteria that will be considered for so. First is a payment history. On-time payment and a history of not maxing out your credit card is a crucial factor. The percentage of your credit limit you are using must be ideally below 30%. Talking about your income, the higher the income demonstrates higher ability for you to manage a larger credit line. And yes, a good credit score, generally above 670, increases your chances of approval. The longer you had your Chase Freedom Unlimited card, the chances of your credit line to increase is looking good. So yes, to get a credit limit, it does consider of your history. If you are a new user, you might not be able to receive it as quicker or easier than you think. So make sure that you are a mature user of your Chase Freedom Unlimited. And it sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.